When it comes to generating talking avatars, DID, Synthesia, HeyGen are probably the best tools, but they are all paid and their free trials are very limited. DID offers the best trial of 5 minutes and you can create a few accounts and abuse it, but that's not a solution. But I found a Hugging Face space where you can create your talking avatar for free and without any watermarks. Open the space, upload your image, upload your audio, choose expression scale, I like it between 1 and 1.5, set face model resolution to 512, pre-process full, leave face render at face vid to vid, and check on GFP GAN as face enhancer. Choose the length in seconds of your generated video and click generate. The process will be slow, from a few minutes to maybe an hour depending on your video. You can duplicate the space and upgrade to GPU for a faster process, but that's paid. Or if you have a decent computer, download the code and run it on your PC. Follow for more tools.